Hello everyone. Today we talk about the chapter 5, acid, base and salt. In this chapter we talk about the process of neutralization. In this process the acids turn blue litmus red and the base turn red litmus blue. And we are going to use as indicators you have not used so far. It is called phenolphthalein. You see activity 5.5 to be demonstrated by a teacher in class. Fill one of the fourth of a test tube with a diluted hydrochloric acids. It's mean hydrochloric HCl. And note down its colors and note down the color of phenolphthalein solution also. And add the 2 to 3 drop of the indicators to the acids. And we shake the test tube gently. And do you observe any change in the color of acids? Add the acidic solution a drop of the sodium hydroxide solution by the dropper. See in figure 5.4 process of neutralization process. Acid plus indicators add a base. Stir the tube gently and there any change in the color of the solution, the continuous adding a sodium hydroxide solution by drop and while stirring till the pink color just appear. Now add the one more drop of the dilute hydrochloric acids and the solution again become a colorless. The again add one drop of sodium hydroxide solutions. The solution again become pink in colors and the phenolphthalein give a pink color. On the other hand, when the solution is acidic, it remain a colorless. When an acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution, both of the solutions neutralize the effect of each other's. And when acid solutions and base solutions are mixed in a suitable amount, both the acidic natures of the acid and the base nature of the base are destroyed and touch the test tube immediately after the neutralization. And neutralization reaction heat is always produced or evolved. Evolved, it's mean develop. Evolved heat raise the temperature of the reaction mixture. The neutralization reaction is a new substance is formed is called salt. And the reaction between an acid and base is known as the neutralization. The salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. See in this reaction, acid plus base to make a salt plus water. Heat is evolved. It's been developed. And the following reaction is the example HCl hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide NaOH. The sodium hydroxide to make the product sodium chloride. Here C chlorine react with Na sodium to make the sodium chloride plus hydrogen react with OH to make the water S2O. The neutralization in everyday life. First one is indigestions. Our stomachs contain a hydrochloric acid. It helps us digest food. But too much of acid in stomach cause indigestions. The indigestion is painful. We take a antacid such as a milk of magnesia which contain a magnesium hydroxide. Ant bite. When an ant bite, it inject the acidic liquid. It's a formic acids into the skins. The effect of acid can be neutralized by the rubbing moist baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate or calamine solution which contain a zinc carbonate. Next is soil treatment. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers to make the soil acidic and the plant do not grow well and when the soil is either too acidic or too basic. When the soil is too acidic, it is treated with a base like a quicklime, calcium oxide or a salt lime, calcium hydroxide. If the soil is basic, organic matter is added to it. The organic matter releases the acids which neutralize the basic nature of the soils. And this is the last, the factory waste. The waste of the many factories contain acid. If they are allowed to flow into the water bodies, the acid will kill a fish and other organisms. The factory waste are therefore neutralized by adding a basic substances. Thank you.